Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have another quick and easy holiday DIY. I got these little guys at the Dollar Tree, and then I got these at the Dollar Tree as well. They came on in a packet, and they were strung up, but I wanted to use the beads. So I'm gonna make a couple, we'll probably just make 3 because there's 2 of each. So let's go ahead. So I'm getting 2 of those out. And then I'm gonna take these little guys off. And if you are like me, you may have a little tiered tray. So I'm gonna use these 3 for a different DIY. So you'll wanna stay tuned for that. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take super quick, super easy. I'm gonna flip these guys over. And we are gonna put some hot glue on here. Oh, the glue turned off. The hot glue gun turned off. We just need to wait for a moment. That's okay. While we're waiting, it heats up really quickly. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of twine to this. So I'm just going to get out my linen thread, and I'm just going to make a nice little thread here, or a little quick bow. And there we go. And I just want to add a little bow right on top to keep this piece right in line. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of hot glue. Should be ready now. Yep. And I'm gonna hold this piece together and hot glue that together. Just like that. And this is just a little piece of twine, and now that little green bead is gonna stay on there because I want it to be on there. So we're gonna have that just like that. And then now our glue is ready. I'm gonna take that hot glue, and I'm gonna put a piece down, and then I'm going to quickly get another piece here and glue that one down. We want it to be kind of next to each other, and we want it to be flat and leaning back just a bit. So now we've got this great little stand, a little sign that'll stand up and is perfect for a tiered tray. So I'm going to do the same with this one. And actually what we could do is we could just put the glue right there. And then we'll put this one on here. We'll put this one on here. And we want it to stand up with a little bit of a bend, so we know exactly where to place those. There we go. There's a second one, and then we'll do a third one. And we're going to hold that as we bend it back just a little bit. That way it stays. Now I'm going to add some more twine or ribbon to this. I think this lovely metallic ribbon would go nice with this green. So I'm going to do that. And you can make these as big or as little as you'd like. Always make them longer, and then I can always cut more if I need to. So I'm going to pull that down, get a little piece of glue on this ribbon here. just a little bit. Enough to hold it. In place. Just like that. So cute. I love it. It's super adorable. So I hope you like that. If you do, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. If you want to see more DIYs, I would love to make them for you. And these could even be like little placeholders for Christmas dinner or for a Christmas party. Quick and easy. You can make 6 of them for what, $2.25, and then any ribbon that you might have laying around. All right, beauties, I hope you like it. I definitely do, and I cannot wait to show you more. Have a wonderful day. Merry Christmas and happy holidays as we are in the season. Have a good day. Bye.